When you realize your sibling is actually a professional wrestler and you just wanted a nap. Total puppy chaos in 5 frames.
What's he doing? What is he doing? We all know one of those dogs that, she's doing the thing. She's doing the thing. She's doing the thing.
The toddler says it is bedtime, you do not argue. You just accept your life as a very large, hairy doll.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Can you say I love you? I love you. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Say I love you. Oh, goodness. I love you. Oh, go boy.
Hey, you came back. What's up, dude? Hey, buddy. Oh, here we go. Look at them rascals. Look at them rascals. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Look at them rascals. Look at them rascals. There's Chisholm. You guys having fun back here? You guys having fun back here? All right. Let's get up front.
Good boy, that dog is hard at work today. Atta boy. Come on, come on. I guess he's gonna take it up to the house.
You realize you forgot to turn the oven off, but your legs are only 3 inches long. Speed is relative.
You wanna look?
You okay?
No. Look at it.
Are you being nice?
Look at it.
Look, I've been thinking about it. I know this is terrifying. There's so many cards stacked against us, but it's gonna be okay. Don't worry about Dawson. He's just shocked. It'll be fine. It's a good shock.
My dog, when we're walking on the floor, she'll literally hold her legs. Like, no. Okay, nearly done. Nearly dry.
Special delivery. This dog just intercepted the mail and successfully chased the delivery guy off his turf. Talk about a rough day at the office.
Sorry.
Sky? Sky? Come on. Come on. It's raining. Right, come on. Come on. It's raining. Let's go.
Just come downstairs and this is what I find. So Taz is there, her bed's been moved, Demon is on the bed, but he's got a pet fucking hedgehog sleeping on the bed.
Your dog finally finds the branch of his dreams and refuses to leave it behind, even if it means a very awkward car ride.
How'd you go get another one?
Big silly
I
thing.
won't do that again.
Don't get bulldog.
Sherman! What? That took all of my mind. I got the whole thing on video.
That took all my mind to get him out the first time.
I knew he was about to do it again.
I know. Come on. We're going to do this again. Last time.
Come on, Sherman. And this time, he need a leash on now. He must have fun getting out the first time. Don't get in another one.
Shut up! Okay.
There's a leash over here for him.
Okay.
Or a leash.
Okay.
Finally get home and realize your dog has been practicing for the 100-meter dash in your absence. I never stood a chance.
No llores, Pepito.
You staring at my bread?
You're so tired that your water bowl becomes a pillow, but your thirst is still on a 5-star mission. Sleep drinking is a talent.
Bailey. Bailey.
Nothing says cozy like a bed that literally bites back. He wasn't hiding, he was just recharging his inner chaos. Proceed with caution.
Para que te busco. Ay, Dios, a ver, sal para aquí. Mira, qué manera de meterse en el cojín. A ver. Sí, déjame buscar a ver por dónde se metió este desgraciado. A ver. Un momento, Titi. No te pongas nervioso, para. Que sí, que te estoy buscando. A ver dónde coño está el agujero. Cojones. Sal de ahí, Clara, coño. A ver, por algún lado te tienes que... A ver, por aquí. Mira, por aquí. Ven, Titi, ven. Ven. A ver. Por ahí. Por ahí, desgraciado. Mira el destrozo. Para meterse dentro del cojín. O sea...
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Dog is 90 spring, 10 determination, and 100 convinced he can finally catch that tree. Gravity is clearly just a suggestion today. Your brother is A.
He can't hear you.
Moment when the groceries smell so good you forget how to be a functional cat. Go from independent loaf to demanding a full infant-style rocking session because you are the main character of this dinner. Finally find a quiet spot to overthink everything, but the gardener keeps staring at you. Quiet on the set, please. Belly rubs for the kitten and a front row seat for the duckling. This meeting could have been an email. You were trying to film a dance cover, but your cat decided it is time for a solo performance.
Sam.